Alright, so we have a rectangle here, which is a parallelogram, because it has two pairs of parallel sides, but because it has 90-degree angles in all four angles, then we call it a rectangle. Anyways, the area for a rectangle is just going to be the length times the width. So we'll call this the length, and we can call this the width. So then the area is equal to 12 centimeters times 4.9 centimeters. And that's pretty easy to do. I'm just going to take my calculator, turn it on, and say 12 times 4.9, and I get 58.8. So the area is 58.8. Now centimeter times centimeter is centimeters squared. That was a pretty easy one.